This unique niche is so good and it's getting a shit ton of views, and I'm pretty sure that they are making thousands of dollars. And that's not even the best part. Competition is insanely low for this niche. And you know what? You can start this niche for free. Yeah, you heard it right. You don't need any paid tools to start this today. This is not a sponsored video for an AI tool. I'm going to show you exactly how to start YouTube automation with this niche step by step so that anyone can do this. It doesn't matter where you are from or how old you are. Just start this with me today. And make sure to watch the whole video because I'm going to give you all the secret tips that pro YouTubers are using to get millions of views for free. So I want you to make the comment section an educational field trip. Comment your secret methods and tips about YouTube automation so that we can learn from each other. This channel has only 8 videos and it has 68,000 subscribers. And this specific video, which was uploaded just 1 month ago, has 6.3 million views, and all the other videos have almost 1 million views. And this is another channel in this niche, which has overall 20 million views. And this is the main channel that started this niche on YouTube. It has 1.3 million subscribers with just 118 videos, and the crazy thing is, almost every video in this channel has more than 1 million views. Based on these data, this niche has a huge audience, and it's clearly working. This may seem like a fancy term, but the concept is actually very simple, and many new creators are unaware of it, which is why their channels are not growing. Let's do a little comparison. This channel has a unique taste. Its thumbnails, titles, and video style are so unique. And that's why it has around 1.3 million subscribers and gained huge success in this niche. Now, take a look at this second channel. It's exactly the same style as the first one. Same style of thumbnails and title, so this channel is not as successful as the extinct Zoo. The reason is that it lacks the channel identity. Now, take a look at this third channel. It has 72,000 subs with only 8 videos, and this one has a unique channel identity. So what I wanted to say is, don't copy your competitor's identity. Create your own channel's identity. You can use different color themes on your text, different art styles like these 2 examples. I will show you how to create these types of thumbnails later, and yeah, it's with totally free tools. Once you figure out your channel's identity, you need to come up with a channel name, a description, and keywords for this niche. What I did was I used ChatGPT to create those. I would recommend you guys to do the same because it's easy and will save you a lot of time. This niche is about nature and prehistoric animals, sea creatures, and very interesting stuff about the animal world. So, use these same exact prompts and generate these for your channel. When it comes to creating a logo for your channel, make a simple logo like this using ChatGPT. You can get all the prompts I'm using for this video from the description. If you get shadow banned, it doesn't matter what you do, how good your videos are, your channel is dead, and everything that you are going to do is useless. So you have to avoid it no matter what. The best thing you can do is to use an old Gmail account, because as soon as you use a new Gmail account, the genius YouTube algorithm is going to identify you as a bot. Your only option is either use an old Gmail or create a new one and warm it up for at least 2 weeks. Let me tell you another mistake that directly leads your channel into a shadow ban. If you upload videos related to several niches into your channel, you are going to get shadow banned. So don't upload everything into one channel. If you want to try several niches at once, use different channels. The reason for that is, when you upload videos, YouTube algorithm watches it, and it goes through your whole video to identify the target audience. In that process, algorithm collect a lot of data about your channel, and that's why you need to upload videos consistently. So when you upload a video that's completely different from your niche, data about your channel gets mixed up, which directly leads to a shadow ban. Content is what's going to make you rich. So you have to invest most of your time into content creation. Every viral video has 3 common things: a good idea, killer script, an outstanding thumbnail. If you got these 3 right, your video is going to go viral. Let's start with a good idea. The best way to do this is to make videos about already working viral ideas. You can analyze your competitors' channels and get a good idea about what sort of video topics are getting more views. Instead of reinventing the wheel, you can make videos about what's already going viral. But don't copy others in their content. It's unethical and copyright infringement. And let's be honest, we can't achieve success by copying others. What you can do is make a list of viral video ideas based on the past results of your competitors and make 100% unique videos. Another thing we can do is, we can get those viral ideas from the competitors and we can make different approaches with them. For example, this specific video has gotten around 6.7 million views within a month. So, I'm going to go to ChatGPT and ask it to make 10 relatable video ideas for this specific topic. This is like doing an experiment. There is a good probability that one of these ideas goes viral because we know that the audience loves this topic. After that, we need to make a killer script. A script that's not boring, but interesting enough to keep the viewer engaged till the end. And our goal is to satisfy our viewers so that at least 10% of our viewers will subscribe to the channel. For that, I have analyzed more than 20 videos with millions of views under this niche and created a unique formula. When you mix this formula with AI, you don't have to worry about script writing at all. And I'm going to give it to you guys for free. And guys, I get emails daily from a lot of you guys asking for coaching. I don't have a coaching program right now, but if you would like to have a coaching session for, let's say, 10 people at a time, I can arrange that. Just let me know and I will try to do my best. Let's get back to our killer script formula. When you get this formula, all you need to do is feed it to ChatGPT. So, go to ChatGPT and ask it, analyze this formula and create YouTube video script around 5 minutes according to this formula, and copy the formula. Then, I'm going to give the first video topic we just generated, and let's see how good our script is. Okay, this is exactly what I was expecting. It has all the interesting points. That's how easy it is to make a video script. Now, so far, we haven't wanted any paid tool. Now, the next step is to generate voiceovers for this script. I would recommend you guys to use DupDub AI because it has a 3-day free period. So, in these 3 days, you can make several videos for your channel. I will leave the link in the description. When it comes to this niche, we need an energetic and dramatic voice because these videos are similar to documentary style. So let's go to this AI voiceover feature. First, I'm going to go to this More Voices, and let's check several voices. Here, we can filter the voices based on language, age, and quality. And from this side, we can select the relevant category for our voice, such as social media, motivation, e-commerce, and more. In this case, I'm going to try this Movie Explained category, and let's check a few voices.
Today is the day to remind yourself that you possess the power and strength you need to bring contentment, love, and joy into your...
It's too calm I don't think this one is going to work.
Today is the day to remind yourself that you possess the power and strength you need to bring contentment, love.
This is too sleepy. Let's check several more.
Once upon a time in a small village, there lived a young girl. She was...
Okay, it's too much. This voice is good for children's stories.
The story begins on a gloomy night, lonely stretch of New York, where we see a toll booth, where a man is doing his night shift as a toll collector. He is...
That's what I'm talking about. This one is energetic and dramatic as well. Perfect for our niche. Now, I'm going to copy the script part by part to this dashboard. You can use these options, edit the tone and emotions of your voice. Once you are done with everything, just click this button and it will generate the voice.
If humans were meant to see these creatures, they wouldn't live where sunlight dies. These animals break the rules of biology. And the deeper we explore, the worse they become.
Then, you just need to click the export button and download the voice files. When it comes to visuals, we need 2 things: stock videos and AI images. For stock videos, you can download copyright-free videos from Vecteezy and Pexels. According to our video script, we need some deep sea videos, so, as you can see here, we can download those from Vecteezy. For the AI images, you can use Google Gemini Nano Banana, go to their main website, and you can use it for free. What you need to do is generate some interesting images to match your video script. And then we can mix those with stock videos and complete the video. Finally, we need background music. YouTube Audio Library is the easiest way to get copyright-free music, and it's free. Now, so far, you have learned so much. What I wanted to say is, now, you might get bored, but don't give up your momentum. We just need to do a few more steps. For the editing, I'm going to use CapCut free version, And trust me, this editing process is super easy. What I did was I uploaded all the materials I gathered to this and added them to the timeline. The only thing you need to focus on is matching the voiceovers with the correct visuals. This is not rocket science. Everyone can do it. Then for the AI image, you can add some effects. It's actually optional. The reason why we are using AI images is that creating AI videos is not free. So, if you can afford an AI video tool, you can go with AI videos. It's up to you. Make sure to add captions as well. Go to this text feature and add auto captions, and CapCut can generate captions for your whole video. However, I don't recommend to use fancy captions. Just a simple and minimalist caption style like this would be good for this niche. And just like this, you can finish the editing process. The thumbnail is the sales pitch of a YouTube video. So if you make it right, your views will skyrocket. If you know how to use Photoshop, you are free to use it. But I'm going to use the Canva free version for this process. The first thing you need to do is go to ChatGPT where you generated your video script, and simply type this prompt. Generate 3 image ideas to represent the concept of this video. Then I will explain the specific art style I want. That's because I want these videos to be more unique, and we don't want to copy our competitor's style. Now we have 3 different image ideas, and these are the results I got with these 3 prompts. Now I think this third image is good for this thumbnail. Let's go back to Canva. Go to this, custom size, and set the width as 1920 pixels and the height to 1080 pixels. Now I'm going to go to this upload and upload the AI image we just generated. And then I'm going to resize it so that it can fit the surface area. Now, we need to add some text layers, and when you are adding the text, make sure to add an attention-grabbing slogan that's related to your video's topic. Make sure to use a font, and there are free and premium fonts as well. Since we are using the free version, you need to go with free fonts. Okay, now you just need to add some effects to these text layers so that they can stand out. And that's it, guys. Just like this, you can easily create a thumbnail. So yeah, you can start this process today without spending a single dollar. With that, today's video has come to an end. If you have any questions, drop a comment and I will answer. So, I wish you guys the best of luck.